Hello guys, so now I'm gonna teach you how to use switch. So switch is useful when you have to use multiple selections, but the conditions for the if else if uh, um, it only has to be same with something. So let me give you an example. So let's say there's a variable that holds which day is it, but the number, like if it's a Sunday, then it's 0. If it's Sunday, it's 0. If it's Saturday, it's 7. So it holds that number Sunday, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 7. Actually, Saturday should be 6. So if the number tells is 1, that means it's look telling that it's Monday. So based on the number I give here, I want you to print out the console. I'll print out here what day is it. So let's use if else if first, and then we use switch. So int position, I guess. Okay, let's use 2 first. So if pos is 0, then print out Sunday. And then just copy 5, 6. Oops, what happened here? Let me copy it again. Copy and then paste and then paste. Okay, as you can see here, programmers use copy paste a million times and when they're writing code. So if the post is 0, then print Sunday. If not, check if it's 1. If yes, then it's Monday. If it's not 1, then check the same thing, but we check is it 2. If it's 2, then it's a Tuesday. And then you check again. If it's 3, then it is Wednesday. If it's not 3, then you check again. Check if it's 4. If it's 4, then it's Thursday. If it's not 4, then you check is it 5. If it's 5, then it's Friday. If it's not anything above, then it's gonna be Saturday. So now it's 2, right? So we have to get Tuesday. Let's see, do we get Tuesday? Yep, we got Tuesday. What if it's 4? It's Thursday. Um, by the way, what if you give 10? What do you think the result will be? This is just like a more knowledge, just so you understand how if else work. So since none of it is true and only this option is available, even though Saturday should be 6, but you're using 10, but you uh, you didn't give a condition here, right? You didn't tell this should be executed if the post is 6, so you didn't tell it. So even though Saturday should be 6, since you didn't tell what position it should be, so if it's even if it's 10, it will be printed. So if it's 10, then Saturday will be printed, just so you know. So how you can use switch in this position? So how do we can do that is you check this variable. So you check pose, and then you give all the case. So if the pose is 1, what you have to do is print Sunday, and then you break, and then you do that for all the cases. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you check the switch is where you give the variable that you wanted to check. So you want to check pose here, right? So you put the pose here. You type the pose here, and then you type all the cases that can happen with this variable. So for first case, it can be 1. Second case, it can be 2. If it's 2, then it will be Monday. If it's 3, then it will be Tuesday. If it's 4, it will be 8, 3. Oops. First you need to check, is it 0, and then 1, and then 2. So now you check, is it 3? If it's 3, then it's Wednesday. And then you check, is it 4? If it's 4, then it's Thursday. Then you check, is it 5? If it's 5, then it's Friday. You can either write another case here, or just like else here, right? When none of these options is true, none of this condition is true, then you will do this else condition, right? Like you don't check a condition here. If none of this true, then just do this, right? So you can do the same thing here by typing default. So let's test it out first. So run it. Okay. Saturday. Okay, let's try to run again. Since it's 10, then this is executed. Let's say you got 5, and if I try to run it, I will get this Friday, this case. So Friday is executed. So you might be thinking, what's the purpose of this statement, right? Break. Well, it's something like this. Let's say I didn't write break here, and it's 0 here. So I try to run it. This is what will happen. If the case is 0, which pose is, so now pose is 0, so this will be true. If this will be executed, and since there's no break, it will just go to the next one and will execute this, and then there's a break. But if I take a break from here to, then this will be executed, this will be executed, this will be executed, and then there's a break. Let's see if that's true. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So that's the purpose of break, like if one is true, then the following one, it won't even check the condition. So that's why you put a break here to prevent that to happen. So break and break. That's all about switch. Thank you.